So we are doing another car review today, and with us we have Mr. Jermey Harrison, and he's going to tell us about his car.
I'm Jeremy. It's a DF Goblin kit car, and I've had it nearly 2 years. Bought it in 3 stages, put it together in maybe 8 months. Some guys out of Texas, just south of Dallas, built them, and this is my autocross car.
What donor car is this for?
I used a 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt SS. Got the engine from that car, transmission, all the electrical, even the hubs are from that car. The brakes are all stock from that car. And
how many pounds of boost does the supercharger put out?
Running about 18. On this particular pulley.
Do you know about what the horsepower is on these?
I'm gonna guess on my pulley 240-ish.
240?
240, 250.
What's it weigh?
It weighs, with these wheels and tires, it weighs about, no kidding, about 1495.
1495. Well,
just a hair under 15.
Certainly looks like a go-kart. Can we take it for a ride?
Absolutely.
All right. I think that's good. Do you mind holding this for me, the GoPro, or the gimbal?
No, I don't mind. First time I've seen one of
Yeah. Is that your first time in the passenger seat?
I've never
for
been in
real?
the passenger seat of this car. I've been in the passenger seat of a Goblin, but not mine.
I won't jack with your harness.
Well, I want it to be tight on you.
Oh, are you afraid for my life?
Yeah. If we do go off in a ditch or something, there's not a whole hell of a lot.
Well, I really would like to think that I'm not going to be, you know, ruining your car.
Well, I hope not too, but safety first, man.
Remember when I first put a harness in my Mazda? Thought I was a shit until about 3 weeks
Felt like you was
later.
a fighter pilot hooking up.
Got so goddamn sick of getting in it. Got to strap in every time. You can't even go to the freaking drive-through without getting all laced up in the damn thing.
No, how to just hold it like.
What's the collar? What color it is? What am I doing wrong?
It's turned a little bit to the right. Go right. Keep going. There you go.
Oh, good. All right. So clutch in, no brake.
Yeah. What do I do with this?
Oh,
are you gonna put a camera on this?
I've got it right here.
Okay. So I'm just holding it. Hold it.
Yeah.
Clutch in, no brake.
Clutch in, no brake.
Yep. I can't reach. Is it hot? Is it move?
I don't really know how to tell you thank you the right way to.
Well, you drove. I mean, you didn't drive it hard enough. So I was like, man, I think I turn a little faster.
Oh, there ain't no way. I'm too chicken.
I want you to 58, but you still.
Behind me, you'll see a car.